when direct electrophilic substitution reaction are carried out on anthracene addition product are obtained in many cases rather than substitution product. So here Diels-Alder reaction. So chemical reactions of anthracene. First is Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction. The reactivity of 9 and 10 position of anthracene are such that Diels-Alder product form rapidly with unreactive dinophiles such as malic anhydride. 9 and 10 position of anthracene are such that Diels-Alder product form rapidly with unreactive dinophiles such as malic anhydride. Okay, so here first chemical reaction of anthracene, Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, so here first is anthracene, is react with malic anhydride, CH double bond CH, single bond C double bond O, single bond O, single bond C double bond O, single bond O, reflux. Okay, then gives first, second, then third. So here bond, here bond, here bond, here bond, here bond, here bond. Okay, note pinanthrene does not give Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, so first is chemical reaction of Diels-Alder reaction. Anthracene is react with malic anhydride in the presence of reflux, gives this product. Okay, second, reduction of anthracene, second reaction. So here bond, here bond, bond, here bond, bond, here bond. In the presence of NaHG in isopentanol gives this product. Okay, Na/Hg in isopentanol easily reduce anthracene to 9,10 dihydroanthracene. This name 9,10 dihydroanthracene. So here next oxidation. So here anthracene on oxidation in presence of V2O5 or Na2Cr2O7 / dilute H2SO4 means sulfuric acid, sodium dichromate or dilute H2SO4 gives anthraquinone, gives main product anthraquinone. So first benzene ring, second benzene ring, then third benzene ring, in between double bond O, in between benzene ring double bond O. So here single bond, double bond, double bond, here single bond, double bond, double bond. alternate position. Anthracene may be oxidized either in presence of HNO3 or O2 oblique V2O5 or sodium dichromate in dilute H2SO4 gives anthraquinone. So next is nitration. Next reaction is nitration. What is the nitration? The reaction in which one hydrogen atom of an benzene is replaced by one nitro group, that is called as nitration. So first is anthracene. Okay, in presence of HNO3 and AC2O gives 9 position are attacked. First is 9 position NO2 group is attacked. Okay, then further oxidation at 10 position. Here NO2, here NO2, here single bond double bond, single bond. Okay, that is the 9 and 10 position directly nitro group is attacked. Okay, that is the nitration. Then sulfonation, similar. Then halogenation. Next is halogenation. The reaction in which what is the halogenation? The reaction in which one hydrogen atom of an benzene is replaced by one halogen atom, that is called as the halogenation. So first is chlorination. So anthracene on chlorination gives first here H, here Cl, here H, here Cl. Okay, then minus HCl in presence of NaOH gives first, second, third. So here bond, here bond, here bond, here bond, here bond, Cl, bond. These are 9 chloroanthracene. 9 chloroanthracene. Okay, 9 chloroanthracene. That is the first point is completed. That is the anthracene. So first is introduction complete. Second means anthracene, molecular formula, structural formula, several types of synthesis. First is synthesis benzene and phthalic anhydride by Friedel-Crafts acylation. Next, separately by using Friedel-Crafts reaction. Next directly from naphthaquinone and 1,3 butadiene. Okay, then next chemical reactions of anthracene. Okay.